The company that made Iron Neo happen has just debuted two new consoles titled Iron Neo 2 and Iron Neo Slide. Both of these handhelds are said to pack huge performance gains over their predecessor, and by the looks of it, they are assumed to deliver double the performance of Valve's Steam Deck. In today's video, we're going to talk about the upcoming Iron Neo 2 and Iron Neo Slide to give you a clear understanding of what to expect from them. Without further chatter, let's dive in. As per the company's reveal, both the Iron Neo 2 and Iron Neo Slide will be powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 6800U mobile APU. Keep in mind that this is an 8-core CPU with as many as 12 compute units in the 680M iGPU. With Radeon 680M on board, you can expect a similar level of graphical performance to a GTX 1050 Ti. It can deliver 3.38 teraflops, which is almost double compared to 1.6 teraflops of Steam Deck. So theoretically, we are indeed looking at double the performance of Valve's Steam Deck on these handhelds. Other tracking features that reportedly will come with these devices are a native Windows operating system, the inclusion of LPDDR5 RAM running up to 6400 MHz, PCIe 4.0 storage, and more. Display-wise, it seems like Iron Neo 2 will feature the same 7-inch screen with an 800p panel that its predecessors have. Iron Neo Slide, on the other hand, might end up getting a 6-inch 1080p panel that slides upward, revealing an RGB keyboard underneath. It's quite similar to what the GPD Win 3 has going on, but we're hoping that it won't be a capacitive touch keyboard that is less responsive than an actual keyboard. Design-wise, we're expecting to see dark and light gray color gradients with rounded edge corners. But truth be told, there is something quite aesthetic about polished corners that makes them appear smooth and attractive. Currently, there are no confirmed release dates yet for either of these handheld consoles, but the company assures us that we will get to see them by the end of this year. As for the pricing, all of the current gen Iron Neo cost over $1,000, so you can expect a similar price range for the upcoming ones too. Nonetheless, it will be really exciting to see Valve's Steam Deck having some worthy contenders on the market, given it's currently the best value for money handheld that you can get your hands on. We will be back again with more updates on the Iron Neo 2 and Iron Neo Slide as soon as they hit the shelves. So, that was all about the Iron Neo 2 and Iron Neo Slide. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.